Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover line password. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to recover your line password here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know, or you may want to do here. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that the Line app is fully updated. So, just search for Line in Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, and just update or just click on the update button if the update button is actually in here. But yeah, once it's fully updated, you can go and click on open. And in here, you have two options. You have the login and sign up. So let's go and click on login. Now, the thing with Line here is, let's go and choose main device here, by the way. So in here, you'll have two options. So you can log in with a QR code here. So if you have like a QR code from an old device, go ahead and choose the QR method here. So if you still have a QR code, you can go and click on it and just basically scan it, and you'll be able to log in. Now, if you want to use other methods here, let's go and click on log in through other methods. Now, if you still know what your phone number is, you could go and just click on log in with phone number, and you can go and just enter your phone number in here. Now, then again, it depends on where you are, so may not be fully available. But typically, once you've entered your phone number, you'll be able to receive a code that you could enter inside the Line app here, and that should basically allow you to log in. Now, if you want to log in via, let's say, via your Google account, you go and click on this one. Now it's going to ask you to click on the continue with Google. So if you're already logged in into your Google account, this will basically allow you to provide or allow you to log in via your Google account. So there's no need for you to do anything else. Just select your email address here and you'll be able to log in. But depending on where you are, you may get the option to log in manually. So if you get the option to manually enter your email and your password, depending on where you are, sometimes this is available on Taiwan, Japan, and even Thailand, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, sometimes if you are able to log in manually via using your email address and your password here by entering them manually in here, you should see the option that says forgot password at the bottom left of your screen. And just once you click on it, depending on where you are, they may give you the option to basically receive a link or a code that you need to enter into your account in order for you to recover your account. But then again, this depends on where you are. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So those are the ways in order for you to recover your account here for your Line, and that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.